Hello everybody, welcome back to hardreset.info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the security on your Wi-Fi network from the TP-LINK Deco 50X. So as you guys can see here, we have our 2.4 and 5 GHz network. Basically what I did to get here was go into the Wi-Fi settings. They are right on the main page right here. Now click on the network and click advanced. Here you guys will be able to change the security. You guys will be able to change it to WPA or WPA2, WPA3, or mixed with WPA2 and 3. So that's basically it. You guys can also select none, but it will leave your network very insecure, so I do not recommend that. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.